Firstly, we will see what is permutation. In mathematics, a permutation of a set is, loosely speaking, an arrangement of its member into a sequence or linear order, or if the set is already ordered, a rearrangement of its element. The word permutation also refers to the act or process of changing the linear order of an ordered set. For example, BAC is a permutation of the letters ABC. It is basically an ordering of a group of objects. Next is a combination. Combination is a group of objects where order does not matter, unlike permutation. For example, suppose there are 20 students in a class and you choose 5 of them to go to the match changing competition. Regardless of the order you name this student, they still represent the same group. Those 5 students represent a combination of 5 of the 20 students in the class. We move to the history of combination and permutation. Did you know that combination and permutation is often used for combinatorics? What is combinatorics? Combinatorics can be used to combine objects using rules to create new arrangement of those objects, count the number of arrangements that can be made from a group of objects, and find the best arrangement of objects given different circumstances. Combinatorics has been found around quite some time. We can date the concept of combinatorics back as far as 2800 BCE. Chinese literature introduced the earliest, known as magic square around that time. A magic square is an array of numbers in a square such that the sum of rows, columns, and diagonals are all the same. Combinatorics was used to study these squares and the patterns that they hold within. In the 12th century, there are an Indian mathematician named Bhaskara Acharya whose work included description of the integer coefficient, also called binomial coefficients. The study of these coefficients relied heavily on the combinatorics. Though combinatorics dates a long way back, it wasn't until the 17th century that it started to gain some attention. In the 17th century, French mathematician Blaise Pascal and Pierre de Fermat developed probability theory, and with that came many combinatorial developments and results. Permutations, also known as hexagrams, that were used in China as early as 1000 BC. Al-Khalil, an Arab mathematician and cytographer in 717 until 786, wrote the book of cytographic message. It contained the first use of permutation and combination to list all possible Arabic words with and without vowels. There are many people that confuse between combination and permutation. Basically, for combination, the order doesn't matter, but for permutation, the order is matter. Now, we are giving you to pick a little bit about formula for combination and permutation. Many things that use combination and permutation in our real life. For example, for permutation, we can use it for the number telephone or our combination of lock. For combination, we can use it when we're going to pick a person for going to the competition, or we can pick it to order some food like pizza or a snack.
Hi, so I will go through with you guys about the permutation and combination, and I will go through about permutation in real life. So what are the things that we learned in chapter 7 about permutation and combination functioning in our real life? So are you guys ready? We are going to go kalau if the customer don't want the number to be repeated, then we use other solving method. For example, if we choose a number here, then we can choose that number to be here. Then so we have 10 number from 0 to 9. Then we can choose 8 number from that 10 number. So how we going to do it? We're going to choose like this. First of all, we're going to put 0, P1, and then the next one we're going to put as 9, P1. Second, then 8, P1, and then 7, P1, 6, P1, 5, P1, 4, P1, 3, P1. And then we're going to times all of this. Then we get the probability of the number. This problem, I have given you an idea. So you can try it yourself and try to solve this problem and get the discovery. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Today I will explain about a combination. What is combination? A combination is a mathematical method that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items where the order of the selection does not matter. You can select the item in any order. The meaning of the order of the selection does not matter. The meaning is, for example, AB and BA are equal in combination, considered as one arrangement. Formula for combination. The formula of determining the number of possible arrangements by selecting only a few objects from a set with no repetition is expressed in the following way, which is n refer to the total number of elements in a set, k refer to the number of selecting objects, and factorial. Factorial is a product of a positive integer less or equal to the number presenting the factorial sign. For example, 3 factorial equal to 1 times 2 times 3 equal to 6. For example, given 3 fruit which is apple, orange and pear, there are 3 combinations of 2 that can be drawn from this set, which is apple and pear, apple and orange, pear and orange. The second example is lottery number. In the game of lottery, the number are selected. Like, if someone has to select 4 numbers from first 14 natural number, he has to select the digit in a non-repeater manner.